Okay, so I've got the seal. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit of grease around the inside of the seal and some on the shaft because I don't want to damage the rubber. And then what I've got here is I've got a piece of PVC pipe. This one's actually 1.5 inches. I wish it was a little bit smaller in diameter, but this is all I had. I got it as squared off at the end as I could. And I'm going to use that to tap in. I probably won't be able to keep the camera here because I don't want to hit it. So we'll see how this goes, and I'll be back. Okay, you can see I have the seal installed. In the process, we discovered that the transmission case actually had a crack in it. We used some JB weld, and then we covered that up with some silicone. So we're ready to go. It's time to install the sprocket. I don't know if you watched the first part of the video, but we had to buy a brand new sprocket. The spacer, the large spacer, is on the inside. It's going to give you a proper alignment for your chain. Okay, I'm going to put the circlip on. Just band it, slide it on the shaft, put it all the way back, make sure it's in the groove. It should spin. Next, I'm going to put the chain on before I do anything else, just to make my job easier. So I don't think you really need to see that. I'll be right back. Okay, next we're on to the bushing. It goes just like this. And those are 9/16 inch nuts. Okay, next we have the disc, and just make sure you're putting the larger spacer on the inside. Next we have the front drive sprocket, and again, larger spacer on the inside. That's going to keep your chain away from the pull casing. Next we have the ring clip here. Just slide that into the groove a little bit, take your pliers, clip it down. Okay, you may need to spread the caliper a little bit to get it get on the disc if it's been sitting a while, and then you may need to tap it on with a rubber mallet. Okay, all we're going to do now is hook up this, put a cotter pin through it, this brake rod, put this fender bolt back in, and then I need to get the rest of the parts for my father-in-law that he had removed, chain guard and so forth, and I think this one's back in action. So hopefully that was helpful, and leave comments or questions if you have them.